Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about homeopathic medicine which is helpful for the treatment of depression. Nowadays so many people are going into the depression because of their stressful life and because of their work environment, because of their sedentary life or the change of lifestyle. But homeopathy really plays well in the treatment of psychological diseases. So, myself, Dr. Megha from Yogi Homeo Science. Today's medicine is all about Aurum metallicum. Aurum metallicum is one of the polygamous remedy, but mostly used for the treatment of depression. Aurum met comes from a mineral family, and aurum met is prepared from gold. It is a gold. Okay. The most used remedy in the treatment of mental symptoms. Whereas we'll be talking about clinicals of aurum met, where we can use the aurum met. Asthma, gonorrhea, genital organs, glandular affection, alcoholism, hemorrhoids, heart affections, locomotory system, mental affections, paralysis, syphilis, throat affections, urinary disorders, uterine troubles, vertigo, and the mental affections. Sphere of action is on it affects on mind, nerves, bones, cardiovascular system, genitourinary organs and glands. How the aurum met people looks. It is suited for the people who is very thin, lean and less talkative and black hair and black eyes. Old people who are tired of life due to their mistakes. Having no desire to live and low spirited, lifeless boys. A broken kind of face means they will be not having the happiness in their face. That kind of patient, where it is also a chilly patient and very irritable temperament. Moving on to the mind symptoms of the mind will be covering later because it's all about the depression. So we'll be moving on to the keynotes. Generals suited in old people who are very tired of life, in whom syphilis is implanted on a scrofulous constitution, profound melancholic and constantly dwelling on wrong things, worried, uneasy, restless, aggravation from sunset to sunrise. Aggravation is one of the factor from sunset to sunrise. Oversensitive to pain, smell, taste, hearing, touch, anything is oversensitive for them. This is the generals or the keynotes of the aurum met. It is also given in the headache, congestive headache, mental exertion from fear, fright, anger. That time the congestive headache comes. There is boring and tearing pain in the head, and there is also tearing pain in the head, and concomitant is falling of hair, especially in syphilis and mercurial affections. Whereas it is also given in the heart symptoms, and it is also given in the treatment of bone in the syphilitic kind of thing, or it is also used in the uterine symptoms. It is also having a very indicated remedy for the mind, that too for the depression. We'll be talking about it. Aurum met patient shows peculiar characteristic, rare and uncommon mental symptom as follows. All mental affections are upon the bad effects of mercury and syphilis. He feels as if he has committed many unpardonable crimes. Means he thinks for himself that the things which he has done in his past is not forgivable. He is only thinking that he thinks that he has done these crimes and sins. Because of that, the God is punishing him. The person will be so much angry to realize that one. Seriously, we will be thinking like, okay, he will be thinking like the mosquito will be flying in front of him. He just kills that mosquito. After that, he thinks, okay, I did some sin. God is going to punish me. Just think about how the or a mad patient will be. That type of mentally disturbed they will be. He becomes very much sad and always thinks that he has done something wrong. And seriousness is there for him from head to toe. And he is always kind of wanting his sin to wash off. Means, okay, I really kind of did bad for the mosquito right now, so God is going to punish me. Before that, I'll be helping someone, like that. He thinks that it will be okay with that, or he will be doing some puja so that it will be better. Therefore, he is sad and complete in a does not want life, like kind of thing. In order to get rid of these worries, he is constantly dwelling upon some wrong things as the only way of solution. And profound melancholic is also kind of sin. What is melancholic is sadness. He feels that life is a constant burden for him. He cannot take up this life and he should just give up all the things, because whatever he is doing, everything is going wrong. Whatever he is doing, everything is a sin. Like that, he will be thinking. Feels hateful and quarrelsome and wants to put a permanent end to all of it. Oramet is the topmost medicine for depression, and it is also kind of depressive insanity. He is very restless, anxious about the future, has great desire for mental and physical activity, still cannot do things fast enough. He is low spirited, lifeless with weak memories. He is very much worried and worried, uneasy and restless, irritable and peevish. Least contradiction exceeds anger in him. He feels that he is unwanted element in the society, so he should be just going away. Even God cannot forgive his sins and the things which he has done. Of course, he has not done anything, but he will be thinking like that. He is a very religious person. He does so much of religious things. He is also a very good personality and he tries to help everyone around him. This is automatic depression. Of course, you will be needing so much of time to understand it. So I thought it is understandable also. Moving on to the general modalities, what are the aggravation factor? From sunset to sunrise. In cold air, when getting cold, when lying down, mental excitement. Many complaints come on only during the winter, and they are better by warm application and in the open air, in the warm room, and taking warm things, and they are better in the summer. The aurum med patient should be treated with the higher potencies. So if you are looking for the depression medicine, take aurum med, but consult a physician also. Thank you.